How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to export your chat history through the Snapchat data download feature on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner to open your Snapchat settings. At this point, scroll all the way down to the Account Action section. In the next step, tap on My Data to open the Data Export page. Following this, wait for the page to fully load and you'll see a list of all the data categories available for download. Once done, if you're only interested in your chat history, scroll through and check only the Chat History box to keep the export focused. From here, tap on Next to proceed to the next step. At this stage, select your preferred date range. You can choose last month, last year, 2 years, or all time, depending on how far back you want to go. After this, scroll down to the Confirm Your Email section and make sure your email address is correctly entered. Once completed, tap Submit to send your data export request. Finally, wait for Snapchat to process your request. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification with a link to download your exported chat history. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you recover your chat history, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.